Hello everybody, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Guys, today I am making beloved Smackalicious sauce. This is a beautiful picture of her. I'm making her sauce today. So I have my ginger. Let me lean this. Beloved, sit right here. Okay, she chilling. Okay, so we have our ginger. I don't have pickled ginger, so I'm going to use the ginger paste. I have 2 sticks of butter. I have chicken broth, and this is a low sodium chicken broth. I have my minced garlic and my balsamic vinegar, and I have the Coca-Cola, and I also have the red onions and the lemons. I don't think she put lemons in her sauce, but on the back you can use her directions on the back. This is if you're using the entire bag, but I'm only going to make a small batch of it because I actually want to let my brother, I want my brother to taste it as well as myself. Believe it or not, we actually had Bloveslife sauce like a year ago or something like that, but it was a year ago. Her sauce is amazing. So guys, I'm going to cut this red onion. I'm going to slice this onion, and the recipe calls for 1 large onion. You can use as many onions as you like. I like a lot of onions, but I'm not going to put that many because I say again that I'm only making a small batch. And my family can't wait. They sit around. So it's a season pack. You can make it like she said. She gave you all the tools right here, and this is the season. So you can add water to this. You don't have to add all of this. So you can basically take the sauce, the packet, and you can make it the way you want to make it. So I'm going to make it this way. And I can't wait. Because when I had that sauce before, oh my goodness. Y'all just don't know. Y'all have no idea. If you haven't had this sauce, you have no idea. And this is my first time actually making it with the packet, so I'm really excited. I thought I had lost my packet actually. We're going to go over to the stove, and we're going to put our 2 sticks of unsalted butter in a pan. Okay, so guys, we're getting ready to put in the 2 sticks of unsalted butter.
This is really less than much.
You just glad you're getting ready to get some of this sauce. Okay, so we got our 2 sticks of butter in here, and we're gonna let that melt down. While that's melting down, we're gonna add in our onions. And the recipe calls for, it says 3 cups of minced garlic, but remember guys, we're not making the whole bag. And because I love garlic as much as I do, I'm going to put me a lot of garlic in. We're going to turn this stove up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna let this cook together. And while that's cooking, we're getting ready to add in some minced garlic. I actually love garlic. My family, we love garlic in this house.
Yeah, the smell of it is good.
The smell of the garlic is good?
Yeah, especially that minced. I don't know what it is.
So I'm getting ready to get out a nice little scoop. That's one. And that's two. And to somebody, oh, that's too much garlic. I make it my way, you make it your way. It's your sauce to do whatever you want to do with it. If you want to sprinkle it over a cake, it's your sauce. And we're letting this cook together. And all the directions is on the back of her sauce. So we're going to let these onions, and I probably will add more onions in here because my family love onions too.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. It actually smells good already.
Yeah.
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of this seasoning. Okay, so we got 1/2 cup of seasoning. Okay, so we have our onions, our minced garlic, and our butter. Now we're getting ready to add in our 1/2 cup of seasoning.
Oh wow, I'm trying to take on that color.
And then we're going to add in our balsamic vinegar. I'm not going to put a whole lot. Just a drizzle. And then I'm going to add in my ginger. From what I'm measuring, that might be about 3 tablespoons, teaspoons maybe. And now I'm getting ready to add in my chicken broth. And it smells so good. Wow. This smells so good, guys.
It definitely does.
And I'm going to add in just a little bit of Coca-Cola. If you make the entire package, it's 4 ounces. We're not making the whole entire packet, so we're just gonna pour a little bit of Coke in. Guys, this smells so good. So this is the famous Smackalicious sauce. So you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm going to make me some mussels, some corn. I mean, I'm about to say cornbread. I'm gonna make me some. Can the Smackalicious sauce go with cornbread? I'm going to make me some mussels, some corn, and potatoes, guys. Wow, this smells so good. I gotta taste this. And it's quick. And you can put as much as you like in here. If you want to add something, like I said, she put together the seasoning packet. So if you want to add something to this, you can. If you need a little more of this, a little more of that. But everything you need is right on the back. So I'm getting ready to get me a spoon. And I'm getting ready to taste this Smackalicious sauce. Wow, Key, you want to taste the sauce?
Absolutely. You don't have to ask me twice.
This is so good.
Made a mess.
That's okay.
Wow.
Yes, this sauce is so good. You don't even have to make the whole package of it. You can honestly, with the package, it's like at least about, I can use this probably about 4 times. This sauce is amazing, guys. Don't forget to check out this. Order you some sauce. I'm just telling you, just order you some sauce. This sauce is so good. I see why everybody say this sauce goes with everything. This sauce goes with everything. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.